Welcome back to Little Yacht Sales. Our featured boat today is the ever-popular Catalina 42 Mark II. First produced in 1988, this model has earned its reputation as a well-built, comfortable, and highly desirable cruiser. This particular sailboat features the popular two-cabin layout with a rare forward centerline berth. The Catalina 42 has a well-designed deck and spacious cockpit, with wide weather decks and inboard shrouds that make moving forward safe and easy. The cockpit is large and uncluttered, with plenty of seating and enough room to lie down, as well as enough space to get around the wheel. In 2018, the electronics were updated, as you can see. As we move down below, we're greeted with a classic and warm teak and ash interior. The salon is a spacious, inviting place to spend time with family and friends after a day of sailing. The port wraparound seating frames the custom teak table that lowers to form an additional berth. Air conditioning is a necessity in our Texas climate, and this boat has not one, but two 16,000 BTU marine air units with reverse heat that were installed in 2018. Moving forward to the owner's cabin, we see the centerline berth flanked by settees port and starboard. Storage is plentiful with 2 hanging lockers and 5 drawers under the bed. There is private access to the forward head from the cabin. She is powered by a 54 horsepower Yanmar diesel. Moving aft, we see the galley to port. It has a top and side loading icebox, 3-burner stove and oven, and plenty of storage lockers and cabinets, with additional storage further aft. The second head is starboard to the galley. The aft cabin has a roomy double berth with a hanging locker and dresser. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about this sailboat, find the full specs and asking price at the link in the description below. And to see our other listings, visit our website at littleyachtsales.com.